Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to check which keywords your website rank for and which page your website rank for. Understand? So I've been searching and I wanted to know if there's a website which can show me how many which keywords I rank for, and also which pages I rank for. So now that's a good thing which is gonna help you also to improve your SEO on your website, and also it can help you to start targeting a lot of new users, and also those things they search a lot on your website. So this is a very good opportunity. Understand that you might be not knowing about what they call Google Search Console, but if you have one installed, you have what Google Search Console. If you don't have an account, create an account so that you do what, you be able to monitor your traffic and also the keywords and everything like that. So if you don't have it, it's not a problem. You're just gonna open it free of charge. But if you have it, that's what this tutorial is for you 100%. But if you don't have it, also you can watch and see what is next for you. So what you do, you're gonna go to you're gonna go to google.com, and after google.com, then you say search console. Okay, type in search console, then you say enter. After you click enter, then you click on this one. The one is gonna say search.console, not search.google.com. So then you click on start now. Once you click on start now, it's gonna drop you here on Google Search Console. You should firstly analyze the dashboard if you have already set up everything, and there are a couple of things you have to do. You have to put in submit your what they call site maps in your Search Console, so that Google starts crawling your website. So now I did all of that in this tutorial. You might not see me doing that, but if you did that also, so this is something I want to show you. So you can even add as many websites as you can. So you can see I've got a lot of websites here, even for my clients here. There are many of them. I can just click on one. Maybe I want to click on this, and I'll show you that this website gets how much traffic, which things people check on, you get me. And I say weak website because a few people, this website is not maintained well. So but anyway, I'm gonna put you on other websites, which the one website which we can see almost everything. So I'm trying to click on one by one. You can say that we're changing, and I'm showing you what's going on here. So but I'm gonna go and we see what is better for us and what brought us here. So I'm gonna select this website called googleboy.com.co.za. Once I select it, then you can see that it has 50,000 total clicks, and it can show you the period from here. It's gonna be, it was May 13, 2020 to August, so 5. That simply means something like 1 month, 2 months, something like that, 3 months. So that's what those are the clicks. So here you can see the search results 45%, and also discover 55%, which means there's something they call Google Discover. So the site gets a lot of views from Google Discover, which is very, very good for you. You can click on reports to see all of that, and it can show you which links which were found on Discover. So these are a couple of links which were found on Discover. So this is very good data to see, but anyway, we want to go straight to what brought us here. Okay, what you do, you go to click on performance, and it says search results. You see, once you selected your website, the website you want, you go to search results and say performance. You can see we have 22,000 clicks and 835 impressions. You get me? So this is bad whereby you get this impression and you get these clicks. So it simply means you have to select something better here. You have to work on your website so that you get a lot of what? A lot of traffic out of this. You see? Okay, average is 2%, 22.7%. So I would like to say that that's not enough of what we want to see. You scroll down here. This is what they call queries. So queries simply means these are the keywords people search on your website. You can see PSL fixtures, PSL news, all these things, you have them, and this is a very good thing to use. You can get all this data. If you want your website to have more power, what you do click on export and you download to Excel. Okay, after downloading this, you can open it, and okay, you can open it. Once you open that, you can go. It's not easy, but you can do it. You get all of these. You write a topic after topic after topic on this. They're gonna be many, but they're gonna give your website more power, and you're gonna get a lot of visitors. So since those are the keywords you rank, and you can see that you get 371 clicks out of 14,000 impressions. Impressions means like people who see your content, 14,000, but only less than 1,000 people do click on that, which means this is not even 10% of this. So it simply means you have to work also on your titles to be like something which is attractive to click on. So now, since we've seen how many all these keywords which we rank on our site, so what you're gonna do then, you're gonna see the pages, those pages which you rank for. Okay, once you see these pages, so you can see this page, this page, this page. So you wanna see which keywords brings people to this page. You get me? So this page, it got 8,000 clicks from 393 impressions. So what you do, if you want to see which keywords which brings people on your site on this page specifically, this page ranks for which keywords. So you double click on that. Once you double click on that, then you see that okay, I'm on this page. You can see the dates and the clicks and the impressions on each and every day here. You can see it climbed so high to 345 clicks, and the impressions were 29,000 on this by this date. You can see it comes and go down, but anyway, where the graph starts, it does show that it started slow, it goes slow and goes up, slow and goes up until here. Then here it went down, but not that low, because you can see it started in 10 people, but it never went back to 10 people. You can see it goes up, and here it becomes very, very, very powerful. So we're talking about 200 and something. So now what you're going to do, once you clicked on that, so we want to see which keywords ranks for that page. So let me scroll down here. Okay, let me click here, and okay, this is the page where we are. So if we want to see the keywords ranking for that page, what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here and click on queries. So once you click on queries, these are queries. So they're gonna show you how many keywords, which keywords are ranking for that. So You click on queries after clicking on that page. So now you can see that these are the things, these are the keywords which brings those all people to that page. So when I find something different, because this site posts a lot of sports, so the keywords on each and every page almost they are similar, but now we're gonna try to find different keywords, different page which is non-sport, and see how did it perform. So we're gonna go to pages, and I'm gonna look for a page which is not for sport. Sport, this is sport. Okay, goalkeeper, sport. This is what they call, yeah, this is programming. If you double click on that, then you scroll down and say queries, you're gonna see the queries gonna be different. You can see one of the queries say, you can see these are the queries anyway for this. So you can see the queries are pretty different. You can see that failed to create Vulkan instance Windows 10. You can see all of these things are so useful. So you can get all of these keywords and write topic about them if you know what they mean. So it's easier to, if like for people who are doing sports, then it's easier if you can come here and go to the pages, and since they talked about much of sport here, we can choose any sports page. How much did the Springbok earn? Okay, this was rugby, so that page can bring you here. Then you click on queries. Once you get queries there, then you see that how much did Springbok get, Rugby World Cup prize money, how much do the Springbok, you can understand. So this is something people ask about, search about. So they searched about that to go to that page. So all this information is useful. It simply means a lot of people ask about that on your page. So that means these keywords, they drops those guys, direct to those guys to that page. So that page you should give it more and more time to write about, oh, this is what people are looking for, because these people are looking for these things. So you should put them on your website so that you get more traffic and best ranking. You can get a good ranking if you do that. So guys, please, this is the end of our tutorial. Now you've seen the queries which your website rank for and the pages. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.